How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg and Naperville, Illinois. And today I'm going to show you how to use the backup assistant using this beautiful 2025 MINI Countryman JCW. Let's go. So to use MINI Backup Assist, it's really cool. All you have to do is just drive forward like normally, and it's gonna take care of a bunch of stuff for you in the background and record your progress. So to paint a little picture, let's say you go over to a friend's house and you're a good friend, so you got there early and you parked in their long driveway and you parked right up by the house, and then a bunch of other people parked behind you, and it's gonna make backing out of that long driveway a big pain. Well, MINI's got that taken care of for you using MINI Backup Assistant. So I'm just driving around a little parking lot, just doing little loops right here, and it is recording the progress of the path that the car is driving in forward. So the backup assistant is really easy to use. All you have to do is just put the car into reverse by just lifting up on the toggle there, and then it's gonna say start backup assistant on there. If it doesn't say that, it's not gonna be able to work. So we're just gonna click on start backup assistant there. You're gonna see that little lights on the steering wheel turn green. It'll also give you a prompt in the head-up display. It's gonna say it wants you to press the accelerator to get it going, and then from there on, you're gonna be doing the braking manually, and it tells you how far it recorded and how many feet you have left as you're backing up. So all I'm going to do is just tap on the accelerator pedal to get it going, and now I'm doing the braking manually, and you can see that it's following the exact path that the car took forward, just going in reverse. So I'm going around that little corner that I just went around. Again, feet off the pedals at this point because there's no obstructions anywhere near me and the car's only going 3 miles an hour. But you can see that it's following the exact path that the car took forward, just doing it in reverse automatically. Again, great for all those tight parking situations where you don't know how you're gonna back up, then it's got it taken care of for you. It's fantastic, and again, it'll give you that little countdown of how many feet you have left that it has recorded. Once it runs out of room there, it is gonna have you take it over manually. It's not gonna stop the car in order to do that, it's just gonna say, hey, you're out of room, and then it wants you to take it over. So we got 1 foot left, now it says take control of the vehicle, and now you're gonna be doing the steering and the braking. And that's about it, and it really couldn't be any easier to use Backup Assistant in a Mini. It just takes care of everything for you. A couple things to be aware of though, you do want to make sure to always keep looking in the mirrors and the camera whenever the car is doing any kind of remote driving, anything like that. Very important. And to go back to that scenario that we were talking about earlier, where you're parking on a long driveway, you want to make sure that nothing moved or changed since you last drove the car. So if people in that driveway moved around their cars for whatever reason, well, the car's not going to necessarily know that. So you have to be warned that if that path that the car took going forward is now obstructed by something, that you're going to have to manually drive around that. It's not going to do it for you. The car can automatically brake if it gets too close, but you're still going to want to have your feet covered on that brake pedal to make sure that nothing happens to your car, especially a cool Mini like this awesome JCW Countryman that I'm driving. All right, and that's about all I have time for today, but thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found this video helpful and you are able to use Backup Assistant confidently in all of those tight reversing situations that you're going to come across in the future. So thank you all so much for watching. If you need any help with parts, service, or sales, number for us is right down below. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. And also make sure to check out our social media channels. Those are right above me there. We'd appreciate a follow. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a good day.